Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is me, Muhammad Alvin from Group 9. We will talk about our project information search and analysis skill, and our topic today is quicksort. And here is my team, Jenny Lamria Sihaan and Muhammad Isanuddin Al-Farizi, and me myself, Muhammad Alvin. Okay, I will talk about algorithm and quicksort. An algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined instructions used to solve a class of specialized problems or to execute a calculation in mathematics and computer science. Algorithms are used to specify how computations and data processing should be performed. Quicksort, introduced first by C.A.R. Hort in 1960 and published as an article in Computer Journal 5 in April 62. Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It works by selecting a pivot element from the array and partitioning the other elements into two sub-arrays, according to whether they are less than or greater than the pivot. For this reason, it is sometimes called partition exchange sort. The sub-arrays are then sorted recursively. This can be done in place, requiring small additional amounts of memory to perform the sorting. Next, my friend will explain about characteristic of algorithm.
Next is characteristic of algorithm. In order for some instruction to be an algorithm, it must have the following characteristics. One, clear and unambiguous. Two, well-defined input. Three, well-defined output. Four, finite names. Five, feasible. Six, language independent. Next. Next. Next, I will explain about sorting in algorithm. One, merge sort. Merge sort is a sorting algorithm designed to meet the needs of sorting a data series that does not allow it to be accommodated in computer memory because the amount is too large. Two, insertion sort. Insertion sort is a sorting technique by comparing and sorting the first two data in an array. The comparing the data for the next array whether it is in the right place. Three, bubble sort. Bubble sort is an algorithm sorting method by extracting data continuously until it can be ascertained that in a certain interaction there will be no more change or exchange. For quicksort is one of the fast data sorting algorithms, namely by dividing the list as using a pivot. Five, heap sort. Heap sort is a method of sorting numbers in array in Y that resembles a binary tree. Six, counting sort. Counting sort is a sorting technique by counting the number of occurrences of each data in the array. Next.
Okay, I will be explain advantage and disadvantage quicksort. Advantage. First, it is in a place since it just requires a modest auxiliary stack. Second, it requires only n log or log n time to sort in an item. Third, it has a very short inner loop. Last, after a comprehensive mathematical investigation of this program, a fairly specific comment concerning performance concern may be made. Disadvantage. First, it is a recursive process. The implementation is quite difficult, especially if recursion is not provided. Second is, in the worst case scenario, it takes a quadratic, i.e. n2 time. Third, it is fragile in the sense that a slight error in implementation can go unreported and cause it to function poorly. Next. The implementation of Quicksort. Technically, Quicksort follows the below step. First, step by one, make any element as a pivot. Step 2, partition the array on the base of a pivot. Step 3, apply Quicksort on left partition recursively. Step 4, apply Quicksort on right partition recursively.
Thank you for listening our presentation. We hope that our essays be useful to our readers, and authors also hope that this paper is bringing a good benefit to us. If there is any mistakes in our work, we'll accept any critics or suggestion from our readers. Thank you.
Thank you.